Convenient DisplayPort to DisplayPort cable directly connects a DisplayPort-equipped computer to a HD monitor or projector with DisplayPort input. DisplayPort cables transmit high-definition audio and video from your computer to a monitor for video streaming or gaming. The display cable connects and configures your monitor for an extended desktop or mirrored displays. DisplayPort cables support video resolutions up to 4K, 3840 by 2160, Ultra HD, and 1080p, Full HD, and flawless audio pass-through for uncompressed digital 7.1, 5.1 or 2 channels. Gold-plated connectors, bare copper conductors, and foil braid shielding combine together to provide both superior performance and reliable connectivity of the DisplayPort 1.2 cable. DisplayPort 144 Hz cable connector with latches provides a secure connection with a release button that must be depressed before unplugging. The Cable Matters DisplayPort cable is an indispensable companion for your laptop or desktop equipped with DisplayPort. Extend your desktop to a second monitor for an expanded workstation, or show presentations on a projector at school or work with this cable. The combination of gold-plated connectors, bare copper conductors, and foil braid shielding provides superior cable performance, exceptional picture quality, and authentic audio. Top reviews from the United States. Does what it says on the tin. Having made cables that go into avionics, I can recognize a well-made cable when I see one. And this is a solid piece of kit. Does it have fancy gold plating, braiding and shiny aluminium bits? No. Does it do the job? It certainly does at 1920 by 1200. I bought 3 of these for my 3 identical monitors and the pictures are all uniformly perfect.